Today we are looking at a nice Roskamp 9x18 single pair roller mill. Has a nice heavy duty guard on it. Has a 10 horsepower single phase 230-volt motor. Has a nice 2-bushel surge hopper above where the rolls feed into. Has these magnets inside the hopper to catch any metal, foreign debris before it goes into the rolls. The serial number is 6518. This is looking at the rolls. The unit has 11 grooves per inch on the rolls. They are still nice and sharp. Here we have the unit running. Everything is running nice and as it should. This unit was restored by us a few years ago. It was then bought and it was not used very much at all, and they took really good care of it. You can see, looking in the hopper, very little of the paint is worn off. Everything is in order and in excellent shape.